I'm Diane. I'm the director of the Kicklighter Academy. I want to thank everybody for coming out for our first annual car show. It's really surprised us and been phenomenal. The person who's been in charge of doing this is our president of our Parent-Teacher Association, and she has done an excellent job of getting everybody together. We're so pleased. The Kicklighter Academy is a school in Savannah that integrates children with autism with other children with who are typically developing. We're a preschool. We're on off of Eisenhower on Seawright Drive. Just thank you very much for coming, and hope you'll join us for our other events. We've got a golf tournament coming up on April the 6th. Watch for that.